Yeah. Skadoos, anyone there? Oh man.
Hey guys, wants to do the...
Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? Yo, bro, come, let's get that backpack. Let's do it. Yo, it's a rat.
You know what's crazy? These kids are angry at me because I emptied some kids' bag out and I threw it back in the lava.
Yeah, that's epic.
Bro, you wanna join my gang? Bro?
There's no way, bro, I can face this police.
Take them and kill people, you know? Do you guys wanna come scavenging with me? We can go make some money. I don't know if I'm safe out there because I emptied some kid's bag out, like at the chicken area, and then I threw its bag down there. That was mine, bro! It had my iPad in. It had my iPad in, doesn't it?
Shoot,
Oh yeah, my bad gang.
I want to scavenge some strap. Follow me, I know where to go.
Come on, let's go scavenging. Bro, your bag's
I know where to go.
Your bag's open. Close your bag, all your stuff will fall out.
These not.
Red light.
Bro. Huh?
Monkeys, let's get some loot. Let's get some loot.
Can you... Can you guys hear?
Go.
Yeah, I can hear.
Nah, give me my light back. There's a ton of scrap here. No, give it. The jetpack. Go over here. There's a ton of scrap. Come on, collect everything.
Me, bro.
Guys, come on, collect everything. I have the Go. Oh, that was close.
Why did you do?
Collect all the scrap. Collect all the scrap. Everything that you find, collect.
The red like green light monster scare me, bro.
Wait, guys, don't go over there. I sense a monster. Guys, there's a monster.
On here,
Guys, get over here. Stupid. Oh shit.
Guys, where'd you go? I'm gone to the floor is lava. We've dead.
We've died.
There's a floor. Oh, that cave.
Oh, it blew up on them.
Working on that.
I feel like I could kill this with monsters. And then I'm gonna need the most important thing, the iPad, so I could be an iPad kid. Guys, I need a backpack. Oh, thank you. Alright, let's go. Wait for me. Hey guys, I have the iPad and a crowbar, so I could hit those monsters like bam, 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 bam. I'm watching Skibidi Twitter on my Rolex. I'm watching. I'm seeing where there's monsters on my iPad. In your nose.
Nah, bro. Ain't no way.
Run! Okay, I ripped. Oh, guys, I got the gold. The big guy came.
What happened? there's a bumper crack here. All of the guns are bumper crack. Oh, that's where I slept on the landmine. Stand on this. And I killed you guys. I can't believe you stepped on the landmine, bro. Yo! Yo!
Is anyone there? Oh, yeah, we're right now next to the... Yo, can anyone buy me a backpack? I don't have one. Can I get all the golden? Guys, I got the golden barn, I'm gonna sell it. Look at your watches, I'm paying some money.